100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I can stay. It's the AI coding orchestra. AI coding orchestra. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I can stay. 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 It's the I-coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I-coding orchestrator. It's the AI-coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making.
First LFG 100X Dev.
AI coding orchestrator. It's the AI coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. AI coding orchestrator. It's the AI coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents.
Yeah, I actually have the mic, but I think it fucks up. This is just warming up.
100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. AI coding orchestrator. It's the AI coding orchestrator.
Oh shit.
100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I can stay. It's the AI coding orchestra. AI coding orchestra. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productive to making. I can stay there. 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 I can stay there.
All right, we got three: V0, Lovable, and Bolt New. Okay. Pretty generic dashboard. What a good way to take a picture of this. There we go. Yes. Oh, Bolt. That's pretty nice. Lovable still going. Interesting. We did put V0 a lot earlier though, I think. Screen pipe. Yeah, I think Mike mentioned it. I'm sure. Damn, Lovable error, bro. Really? This is pretty good though. I like the active tasks. Didn't really like V0 compared to this, to be honest. Active agents, tasks in progress. Oh, that's not bad. And then you can go into the tasks. Whereas, what is this? Oh, the active agents. But if you have more than 20, this is not a good view. So the V0 is actually a good initial view. This is pretty good. So I think I might... And don't worry about the styling. Like, this looks flashy because it's got colors. But you don't really need colors when you're just designing the layout. So, ooh, shit. Lovable fixed the error. It has flashy colors and numbers. The spacing, though, doesn't look as good as V0. Nor the icons. And the responsiveness, too, is that right? Oh, no, no, actually, this looks better, kind of. Wait. What does this look like? Can we get rid of this sidebar? No. You can get rid of the preview. Oh, here we go, full screen. It's very similar. The spacing on the cards looks better in V0 in my opinion. Fills out the screen. You got a lot of like empty space here. One issue with V0 is I think it kind of like locks you into Next.js. Am I right about that? Man, Wolfie's famous. My TikTok is broken. Hold on. I'm gonna get a drink and then I'll put on the camera and everything. So, yeah. 18 tests on V0. No tester agent on Lovable. Test. No active tasks. Yeah, I'm liking this. We're gonna continue with that. If we can. See, the issue is like I don't want TypeScript. But what if I've heard in Windsurf you can upload images now? So let's see if I can do that, I guess. All right. Wait, can I copy the one I sent here? This one. Oh, it's cut off the top. Okay, yeah. Hmm. These are just ideas. I'm actually not going to implement the code. But I like this, and then we also get V0 to create. Actually, we should have kept Lovable. Anyway, I'll be back 2 seconds. 1 minute. Music on before I leave. Hold on. Just in case. Did I close Suno? No, here we go.
AI coding orchestrator. It's the AI coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. AI coding orchestrator. It's the AI coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity.
All right, I'm back. Just as the song ended, that was pretty good. Hey, let's go. Let's go live on all the platforms. I don't know which ones we're live on. Yo, Frosty, sorry. When was that? Oh, it's only 4 minutes ago.
100 agents,
Um,
100 times
Beach. Dude, I haven't seen Beach in the chat. Oh, here we go. This is fine.
AI coding orchestra, 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productive making.
Hold the phone. Electronic? No, this time I got tea. But like cold tea. Not iced tea, but I guess cold tea. Could be iced tea. Trying to go live on TikTok. Don't know if it's working. 5x. Live will begin shortly. Okay. On TikTok.
I like to move my body, it's the music that goes forever. I like to move my body, it's the music that goes forever.
We're live, right? Surely. Yes, okay. I think I just gotta close it. I'll reopen this. Okay, I think I just gotta close it. I'll reopen this. I can hear myself. Okay, I think I just gotta close it. Alright. Can we see the source these agents are working on? Or are you going to use them to take over the world? No, I try to do everything open source, so yeah. Oh, sweet. We have a TikTok counter now, finally. Still get techfren up. Where you guys? Yours doesn't have the thing. GPTEA, what's that? GPT, oh, sorry, yeah. TEA, what's that? GPT, oh, sorry, yeah. Yes, okay. GPT, oh, sorry, yeah. Yes, okay. GPT, oh, sorry, yeah. Yes, okay. Where's that sound coming from? Yes, okay. Where's that sound coming from? Oh, are you serious? Where's that sound coming from? Oh, are you serious? Okay, that was it. No, it wasn't. Oh, are you serious? Oh my god, dude. Okay, that was it. No, the endless stream. Oh my god, dude. I swear it's this. It says it's muted, but it's not. The endless stream. Oh my god, dude. I swear it's this. Okay, no, it's not even that. Endless stream. Oh my god. I swear it's this. Okay, no, it's not even that. Okay, no, it's not even that. Okay, no, it's not even that. It's like 4 second delay, so I'm pretty sure it's a stream being replayed in some window. So I'm pretty sure it's a stream being replayed in some window. I'm pretty sure it's a stream being replayed in some window. Oh my god. I accidentally click this thing all the time too. Such an L stream intro. Such an L stream intro. Such an L stream intro. Such an L stream. Alright, we're gonna close everything. Even remote. Every Chrome window. Hello? Okay. Yeah, L's in the chat. If you're a hater. Ooh, shit, got your beach. Alright, it was definitely a Chrome window. I hope that didn't close all the chat. Okay, no, it didn't. Okay, Twitch, YouTube. Where's TikTok? Okay, might have closed TikTok. Hello. Was it this the whole time? No. Okay, good. All right, W's. W's now. See, two L's makes a W. So you gotta be taking those L's sometimes. All right. This is the 100x. Oh shit, this is different. Code generation agent 1, 1, 2, 3. I think that looks worse. But he likes the graph of the progress. Yeah. I was liking this. This looks clean. But this is like just like fantasizing about UI, you know, the actual core thing. I was working on it with Klein yesterday. I'll show you what I got up to. All right. Is this even the project? You go Control R on VS Code and it brings up like your recently viewed. I already had it open. Recent like projects. All right, so I was testing it yesterday. I got kind of close to something. Initial screen looks like this. Coding Agent Manager. And then you give a GitHub repo and some tasks and the number of agents you want to spawn per task and press create agents. And then it actually like creates the workspace in like a temp folder, clones the repository. And then it's meant to like do an aider command, which it does do. Look, see? You see the processed output aider command here. With the task. It's actually got pretty far. This is like mostly Klein. Shout out Klein. Yes. Very good. And oh, actually I got this auto mode. This oh, you can't see it. Hold the phone. These right here. Always approve execution. This is like, you know, dangerous shit. It's all red, warning signs. And I turned that shit on. You know, you can't even get this from the official VS Code extension store. I had to download that shit off of the Discord. Shout out to some dude made it. What's his name? This is where you find it. Dude, Saud's probably mad at me. I'm always leaking shit from his Discord. But it's Klein. I got so many Klein, like this guy, Hannes Rudolph. So many people that like Klein in my Discord too. This one, Claude Dev 2.1.6. Use at your own risk, Victor. Yeah, Victor. Yeah, dude, Frosty, I think you're the first one to ever do that command. Exclamation mark Discord. I added it like 2 months ago because someone asked like for it, and it was like the first or second time someone's asked for it, and I'm like, all right, I'll make it one day. Finally made it like 2 months ago, and then no one's used it since you. So good job. That's the only command we have, I think, as well. All right. And, yeah, so I think we actually got pretty far. And so you can tell Klein to commit for you, and I probably should have, but I've been committing with Aider, so you'll see. I don't know if that makes it look like Aider takes the credit, but um yeah, all of these commit messages at least were written by Aider. And yeah, see these branches with hashes? Initially, I was having all of the workspaces inside this repository, but whenever they ran like git commands inside that subfolder, it thought it like referred to the parent's git directory. And I wasn't too sure how to fix that, so I ended up moving the workspace into like the temp files, which is like a Python thing that like interfaces with temp files across operating systems um, in one library. Oh, yeah, yeah. Temp file. Yeah, and I chose Python because I think they're just better at doing command line stuff compared to JavaScript. And they also have all the libraries for the AI stuff more than JavaScript. QWQ? What's QWQ? Sup, Godzilla? Did I miss saying hi? I might have. My bad. It was a bit of a like struggle getting set up here. But yeah, now we're gonna continue with this 100x thing. I don't know. We're like still very like open to ideas. So I've been talking with IC through in Discord. Oh, they're in the chat. So you envision the back end of this being Python. It is. So did I not show you? Sorry. I think yeah. So I made this prototype and it's a Flask. I ended up doing Flask, Python, and it does it like we've got check the logs. You can see I should have probably turned it off. It does like a thing every 30 seconds to critique their work. But I haven't linked any LLMs up to this, so oh actually it does use Aider sometimes. But at the start, probably close this. I've told it to log the folder location. Might just run it again. And it saves like the tasks in this task.json. And it should load the repository URL, but oh. I guess it's not saving. Do we have any changes? I'll show you like how I use Klein. I mean, this will be a really simple example. We also have to add this in the git ignore. I think it's in. Will that ignore it? I don't know if that'll ignore it. No, yeah, because it's in a folder called tasks. Oh, and I've also installed Super Maven again because previously I had like LM Copilot Arena running for a while, but it was just too slow. Like it's way slower than Super Maven's so fast. Uh-huh. What about in this thing? Add ticket ignore. That's the same shit I had. Why didn't maybe I gotta go get add. No, that wouldn't. No. Oh, remove. No. That's weird. QWQ is Alibaba's chained reasoner. Oh, is that the Quen one? Yeah, yeah. I've tried it. What was your question about it? With these models. Isn't that a model itself? Or it's like, okay, maybe I haven't tried it. Maybe I'm confusing it with the Quen thing. CLI or web app like Bolt or IDE extension? I'm thinking like, yeah, web app, but like with the user interface as a web app. That's why I chose Flask. Because my experience with like the other ways of doing user interfaces with Python, like you either got like CLI, like PyQt, or like Pygame, or like web web app web server, which is what I ended up choosing. Let me do something real quick. Let's just copy this. Oh, is it got a filter on it? Yeah, true. Alright, chat should be like bigger now. Oh, and it's got viewers. Yeah. Are you thinking of making something I see through? The competition? Well, it's not a competition. I don't know. I want like hackathon. I want it to be like collaborative and we're all winners rather than a competition. But I don't know what the best way to do that is. Okay. I don't know why this like get ignore is not ignoring this change. I'm just gonna discard it. And what if I change it now? Because I do want to just remove the agents. Nope, still picks it up. Maybe I gotta commit this? Let's see. I don't know. That should also be ignored. Okay, so it ignores that. Oh, what? Maybe it's gotta be like this? That would make sense. No, I'm gonna try commit it, but I don't know why. No, it's fine. Not a big deal. All right. Um, yeah, so let's see. Like, there's this one issue here at least. Flash has been working pretty well with me, Google Gemini Flash. Um, oh, here in custom instructions, we can say generate a git command after completing the task. Generate and execute. Git commit. Add plus commit command after completing the task. Okay. Hope that makes sense. The repository URL is not saving in tasks.json. Let's debug this. Yeah, dude, MCP. That actually looks really sick. I'm like so focused on this that I don't really like. I mean, like, I've actually considered would I be missing out if I don't do this with like MCP. Wait, what? Is it empty string? Task.json, I guess. How's it supposed to be set? It should be set after creating the initial agents, relevant files. Here's a big issue too, is this relevant files selection section. Section? Yeah. When like choosing the relevant files, this is a problem that I think no one has solved perfectly, and I don't know if we ever will solve it perfectly, but it's something that requires the most human attention at the moment, it seems, especially on big projects. Okay, not in like small projects. Like I'm surprised it didn't work for this, but um, but yeah. Anyway, that task of doing that is something I'm like kind of worried about for this 100x agent. It's like, can we set up an AI to automatically choose the relevant files, or can Aider? It should be built into Aider, in my opinion. Like Aider should be able to do it. So, yeah, I'd rather build that, spend time trying to build that into Aider than build it in the orchestrator. I don't know actually. That's not a definite answer either. Aider can auto add files with yes. It can, but it's like how good is it at choosing, well, I guess it's the LLM's issue at choosing the right files. Because like if you saw here, this kind of happens with Aider too. It's like it doesn't choose the files. It says, please provide, where is it? Or like, how is this meant to be set? Please provide details. Like it doesn't explicitly say, please show me the files, but once I gave it the files, it knew how to make a change. Now it wants to change the initial one. Let me give it a URL. Bro, are you from India? I'm not. Based on the repo map, yeah. Well, it sends the repo map in the prompt, yeah. So like it should be able to guess off that. The repo map has snippets as well, but yeah, some like how is the repo map chosen? This is like the most common question with Aider I see in the Discord. It's like how is the um okay. Yeah, how is the repo map chosen? Generated. Yes. Because it has like snippets, but it's like not the whole code snippet. I mean, I don't know the answer, but I've seen that question a lot. Okay, it didn't even load. Oh well. Um, it's such a small issue. What was the change? Oh, it didn't even commit it. Set repo URL. No, man, that's not even what I want. Let's try the exact same prompt with a smarter model, and I won't tell it the files. I guess this prompt was actually really bad. Should we give Flash one more try? Give it the files. Um, on submission of index page load, the repo URL should be loaded from task.json. And on submission of the index form, it should save the URL into task.json. F the man. Is there any other way than feeding a model context to add knowledge to it, not training it? Yeah. There's I mean it all comes, yeah. If you're not like fine tuning or training or changing the weights. Oh, there's actually like two different ways. I was gonna say like RAG systems, but they're like they come into the context eventually. But they're not like just feeding the whole context in plain text. And then the other thing I thought of was LoRa's, low rank adaptation models. This is a thing more common in like image generation, but I'm pretty sure in language models you can add like adapters onto models to change them. There's also like model merging as well. Lazy, thanks for the gift. Why didn't we get like a noise for that? Oh, there we go. It just takes a while. Blizzard down. Nice. I know Blizzard, that's Quan. Hell yeah. Thanks, Lazy. Alright, let's see if this saves. Oh, dude, I have one issue I have with Klein is it doesn't work with my PowerShell. When I put this preferred terminal, where is that? Terminal default profile, PowerShell. It can execute them, but it can't read the PowerShell for some reason. It used to work, I swear, or maybe that was on my Mac. I can't remember. Alright, let's see if this saves this now. Oh, here you can see cloning into. Where'd it go? Here, created workspace. Ah, well, it did. It created it. Now let's see if I. No, I didn't remember. Didn't remember the task. What did it try to change? Task data get repository. Yeah, that's perfect. And we have it here as well already. So this doesn't work. Task data. So yeah, for some reason, sometimes my VS Code just dies as well. Super lame. Should I use windsurf? I mean, I don't think I have cursor, so yeah, let's try windsurf. Or, I mean, I still have heaps of exponent credits as well. I kind of want to get like familiar with the code. The thing about like tools like Exponent is you don't even see the code. I mean, same with Klein. The way I use it in like that auto mode, I don't even like look at the code. MS Python. Open VSX Marketplace. Interesting. So is this separate to my normal VS Code extensions? That's weird. How many credits do I have here? I'm about halfway. Doesn't really say how long I have. That's a bit bad, right? Like in the past 30 days, I don't think it's, you know what I mean? It's just wrong. 21st of December. So it's been 6 days, 7 days. 7 days and I've used half. So I'm going at like twice the speed that is expected or budgeted for. It's all right. Um, yeah. I want to do some manual like introspection. Introspection. Whoa. Yeah, it doesn't even have like the Vim thing. Just like reconfiguring all my extensions is a pain in the ass here. I'm just gonna open Venus. Wait, they had import from VS Code and import from GitHub though, right? I swear I clicked that. Or import from cursor either. I don't know. Anyway, we're back here. Ooh, exclamation mark GitHub. My GitHub's just AJ47. You can actually get this is open source. Echo git origin. Can we do that? Doesn't look like I'm even in the right folder. There we go. Not even in the right format. AJ47100X orchestrator. But then you have to be on the branch. Oh, I haven't even pushed it. Okay. Let's see if I can rebranch this. Flask app. Oh, wait, can I go into Flask app? Wait, what are the changes? This is a good change. This is a bad change. What the hell is this? Okay. Now we merge this. Can we? Can't. Why can't we merge this? Because it's the same branch, right? Because it's not pushed. Cherry pick, no. Can't. Compare to local changes. This is such an annoying name. How do I copy that branch name? Alright, we're pushing this to origin. Now there's a chance I can push this and merge. Nope. Ah shit, I discarded the. Actually, that's easier too. No. What if I do this? Because that'll actually branch it. Yes. There we go. Yeah. No, 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 no. Not this. Wait. Yeah, no, not this. Okay. All right, now if you go into I should just merge it with main probably. We're also going to be merging main. Just go into main. You'll have pretty much what I have at this point. Day 67. We need a readme. Let's get exponent to create a readme and such. That's actually a really good use of exponent. Is analyze, explore the code base, and write an exponent.txt as well as a readme.md, as well as fill the readme.md. You could be more specific and tell it exactly what you want, but this will give you something. Because I honestly I don't really understand the code base too well. I got Klein AI mostly with Haiku, so write it all last night. I think I even had like a README at one point. Here we go. It's even checking the code. Added missing requirement. All right. Config pie. I didn't know about that file. The README is oh, I think it's blank. I think it has trouble with Markdown. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's all right. We can copy the README manually. Let me just push this. Where is it? Here. MIT license. There was an error. All right, there we go. Much better. Hell yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Have I ever tried training an LLM? You know, not really. I've never thought that it would be worth the time. No, like I didn't have any great ideas, I guess, either. Okay, this is cool. Config.py. I haven't seen that file. Let's have a look at it. What's about config JSON? What's that? Oh, this looks just like tasks.json. Okay, it's called config JSON here, is it? Very interesting. There's always helper functions. I don't know why the task get task. Like, is that a config? This seems like overkill. The beauty about like baby AGY was it was so simple. There's like a good balance of modularization and helper functions. Let's see how they use config manager. Get repository URL in load tasks. Okay, sure. That's pretty much all they're using it for. And they're calling it so many times. You think you just call it once? No, I guess not. Right. That was another one. Here. Num agents equals num agents or config manager dot get default agents per task. Oh yeah. This is like only used in the start, it seems. I think this is a waste. Waste of 77 lines. Like these functions are never called anywhere. Get repository URL. Wait, what? Oh, hold on. Config manager here. Okay. Wait, where did we see like get current task? Yeah, that's never called. Advanced task, never called. It's just like boilerplate shit that I don't think we should even have here. It's time to do some manual cleanup. Are we getting rid of config.py? And then here, repository URL. It's loaded in, where's data loaded from? JSON load F tasks file. Exactly, it should be in the tasks file, which I guess is just a config file now. Okay, so this is the config in a file. I hope this doesn't break everything. It probably will initially. Okay, and then we have all the times the repository is needed. So where was task file? Here, tasks file, config file. Was that never anywhere else? There, here. Config file. Okay. So it's saving it there, which is good. Repository URL, task data.get, config manager.get. But it's actually going to save that in the config file, which is perfect because that's where it should be loading it from, the config file, yes. Data equals, if it's not in the data, we put it as there. Yeah, perfect. I'll still call this load task, that's fine. Wow, this is like the first time I'm doing manual coding in so long. It's good. I definitely think I went too far in the direction of automated like coding and not touching code. That it just like feels good to come back. Which is weird because when you're like coding manually for so long, you're like, this is so annoying. But it's like good to have balance. It feels. You made a data set on P5? Oh, for training? How hard is it to train an LLM? I don't think it's that hard. You just put data in a folder and run a script. I'm pretty sure. It's probably simplifying it, but I don't know. I haven't done it, so. Making state-of-the-art LLM, on the other hand, is really hard. Oh yeah, like innovating and making it better. You could make it better with just what I just said, but for like a specific niche. Yeah, the hard part is getting the right data and compute. Okay. I need to refactor all these config managers from. If it doesn't exist, we'll just have it blank. And then here, we're gonna create like a variable called. No, see, this is the thing. Oh no, that's fine. If file not found, it's blank. If there's a decode error, it's blank. Interesting. Um, this is like the same error. It's like, look at this like code repetition. You know, we don't need two separate logs. Although it is good for when you want strict logs. I think I asked for strict logs, so I'm not gonna blame the AI for this. We just need to do a cleanup after we're done logging, but we're not done logging yet. All right, more config manager, refactoring, task.get data. This is still like data repository URL. Okay. Oh, here's the issue. We need to read the file. Save task to. When is this save tasks called actually? What happened here? All right. Let's see. What? Oh, heaps. app.py agents. Save updated task to persist. Yeah, okay. Save task. Save task. Okay. Data to save. It opens a file here. And then it. Oh, just for read. No, it should be for writing. My question is, can we just open the file earlier and get the repository URL, or like where should we get the repository URL from? Task data. Oh, here. Oh, we already have it. Oh my god. This is just if it can't find it in the file. Okay, good. Now I'm tripping. Okay, just this one left. Num agents. If it can't get it from itself, it'll have to get it from the config manager. This is just default values, I've come to realize. So I'm gonna put it as 2 here. Well, default agents. We'll just do it hard coded. Oh yeah, per task. Oh, see, the tab complete didn't work there. I think because I also have something bound to tab. All right, default. Come on, autocomplete. No, see? Oh, see. 2. All right. I hope I didn't break anything. Oh, I just realized I have light LLM. I'm not using completion. Nice. Do we have agents already? No, no agents. All right, let's create four agents. Two agents with two tasks. Two agents per task for two tasks. And you can see here we've made this workspace. How do I open this in? I guess we could just go here. Explorer. Boom. One cloned repo. Oh, I have so many. When did these get deleted? This is meant to be like in my temp files. I don't know how that shit gets cleaned up. Cause look at that. This looks bad. This will be, especially if you have big repositories. Mine isn't that big, but I'm pretty sure the OS has like smart management system for temp files, no? You'd hope so. Sick, we have this. Okay, excellent. I want to debug the aider logs. Let me just commit this. I don't know what model this uses for the commit. It says weak model Haiku. Is it going to use Haiku? Haiku's like not that cheap. Anyway. Here. Use aider help. So this is an output from aider. And we want that to appear in the UI, but it's not working. So I guess, I don't know, can't really tell which debug log that is. Loaded tasks data, it's just before that. Potentially. Let's see. I have a whole thing called aider sessions. Aider session, initialize, start, self, sub process p open. So it's like a pipe thing. And then here, session, yeah, this is exactly it. No, this isn't it, but it's close. Session received. That's what we had, right? No, processed output line. Processed output line. Here we go. Process output. Process output from the queue and write to buffer. Nice. Alright, let's see if I can make this change. Yo, Soundwaves, what's up? Good to see you, man. What's up, Soundwaves? I think I'm gonna try client here and exponent. So orchestrator, we are getting logs from the process output function logs. Logging, though nothing is appearing in the agent view where the CLI is man, where we should see all the standard output errors, etc. Can you find the issue and debug it? Let's actually use Anthropic's Sonnet. Ooh, Soundwaves with the sub. Gifted sub. I wonder who's gonna get it. Does it show who gets it? Let's see. I don't know how it chooses. Might have just been because Lazy also gifted today. But I think it was on YouTube. Dude, I've ever seen a HYFR. Long time. Oh, you got it, Frosty? Nice. Normally an alert comes up. I don't know why I didn't. Dude, Soundwaves is the best. Legend, what's up? We're making a 100x agent swarm, coding swarm management system. Yes. Good to see you. Legend. Um, yo, sorry, I missed. Where can I find open source LLMs on Hugging Face? Hugging Face. Yes, I think someone already answered. That's why. But I realize you're on different channels, so maybe you didn't see it. I got this scroll wheel. Dude, that's sick. So we could 2x, dude. I could be 2xing. Yeah, Hugging Face. You're still here. Yeah, yeah. Do you want me to show you? Like huggingface.co. This one. And you search your model here, so it's a Quen. You can download here. But if you want to use them, yeah, Olama or Jan.ai, or I liked LM Studio. These are all tools that like you can run LLMs locally. What are we actually building with the orchestrator? Can we make an American clone of War Thunder? I don't know. That's up to you. I'm just trying to build the orchestrator. It's a coding orchestrator, if that wasn't obvious, but what you do with that afterwards, that's up to you. Okay, I think this is finished. Let's see what it did. Processing agent debug. Okay, it's added more. Oh, it's still going. Trying to figure out like a cool layout. I think this needs to be on the left here. Inferno Ripper, what's up? Thanks for the follow. That was a good gift. That was from a stream. Good times. I think I'm gonna make a coffee. No, not the budget of $0. That's the thing. I'm thinking like with these like swarm agents, could you just like chuck thousands of 4.0 minis? Well, not thousands, or like tens. And then they'd eventually maybe get somewhere. Yeah, I need coffee. I haven't had one today. Oh, perfect. This is what I wanted. Colored, syntax, highlighted. That work? Oh, it finally finished. Damn, that cost $1.30. Alright, let's see what it changed. Let me see this. Is this color? Alright, config JSON. That's good. I think that was from before. Okay. Update task JSON. Task JSON with the repo. Update task JSON with the repo. Okay. It's not updating the agent stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna run it and see what happens. And then I'm in. Thanks for the follow. And then I'm gonna make a coffee. Might have to do some manual coding. Okay. Created the agent, but now it doesn't show anything here. Definitely much worse. Let me try, make sure I didn't do the manual, like, breaking. Did we try this before? I think we did. Gonna stash all these changes. Let's try to run it again. PJ Rules. Thanks for the follow, man. Okay. Surely the original still works. Yeah, that looks good. Cloned it. There we go. Okay. Alright, that's where we left off. So here where it says no output available, we actually want to have the Aider CLI output. That's what we'll try to tackle when I get back. I'll be back real soon. Let me play some music before I go. Where is my... Oh, I closed all the Chrome windows. Is that why we don't have techfren? I thought the song was so good.
It's the encoded orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. A coding orchestrator is the AI coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I can stay I can stay 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productive to making. I can stay it's the AI coding orchestra. AI coding orchestra. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productive to making. I can stay 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 it's the I-coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I-coding orchestrator. It's the AI-coding orchestrator. 100 threads, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making.
Yo, yo. I just went to get coffee. Frosty, you still here? I'm back. Coffee and pizza. Bonus. Bonus ting. We still good on the chats? Yeah, let's go. Alright. Yeah, I'm debugging this CLI output here. Is my mic good? Turn me up a little bit. There we go. Yeah. So pretty much we can see it in the processed output line. This is where we get it. Here. Processed output line. Oh, you're here. We're cooking. I asked Sonnet to make you a comp plan versus MCP. Nice. Ton of agents to a ton of data sources. Yeah. Looks like they have so many integrations. Looks pretty sick. Yeah, I mean, should I be making this orchestrator in like an MCP thing? Do you think? Alright, let's keep this here. How do I make this? Oh, once again, my VS Code. I think that's something like, is it this? I think it's this. What is this? Yeah, it is. What the hell? It's the VS Code NeoVim messing up. I think I could just restart it. Okay. No. There we go. Okay, so that's horizontal split. This vertical split? There we go. Vertical split. I'm gonna keep this here. and figure out where we can take this data, this line. Pretty much this is where we can see the data. But I don't know how we can get that on the screen. So the screen that we want is agent view, CLI output. This comes from agent aider output. So, okay, that's a pretty good lead. Let's see where that is defined. Orchestrator, data the get aider output. Okay. Also, is that something... Wait, process line. There's no mention of aider output here. How do we agent data get aider output? Okay. Where do we write the aider output is what I want to know. Because it doesn't look like anywhere. Oh, here, update aider output. Line 456. And this comes from output, which is aider sessions, aider ID, get output. What the hell is get output? Def get output. It's an orchestrator. Output buffer. I think this needs a refactor, dude. Let's get client. Okay, now that I understand a bit better, I can prompt it a bit better. Let's see if we got any changes. This is config. Don't want any of this. Pretty much, we want to ensure that the aider output is that what it was called? Yeah. Is properly data is properly stored and retrieved so we can render it in the agent view. Agent view, orchestrator. Okay, and then orchestrator also process line. Where is that? Process output line. This is what we need. The data currently comes in through process output. Okay, hopefully that will work. That's definitely a better prompt. Fork of my GitHub repo. Yo, Jesse Campbell. Thank you.
Techfren for life. Techfren is a lifestyle.
100x orchestrator fork. Hack. What is this? Current orchestrator versus MCP. Oh, sick. Nice, man. Thanks for making that. That's cool. I'll check it out. Let me just quickly check on. Why is this so cheap? Is that Haiku? Sonnet as well. Wow. It's pretty good. Yeah, this is my issue with Klein. The shell for some reason. Okay, it's just trying to add that. This is an easy fix. Wait. Oh. Okay. Nice. Because it had like please execute git save after finish. Let's see what the guess difference was. Buffer size, circular buffer. Oh wow. Oh, but it removes so much code. Rest of the file unchanged. No. I shouldn't have committed then. Alright, we can manually fix this. That is a issue with committing every time. Sometimes you commit the wrong thing. What is that orchestrator.py? Yeah, here. I guess it saves a lot of tokens doing that as well, maybe? Okay. So it's just orchestrator.py that was changed. Let's see if it fixed anything. Yeah, 100x engineer orchestrator, that's it. Jesse Campbell, you know what's up. You know what's up.
100x Engineer Orchestra Mofo.
Yeah, Sonnet is definitely the best for coding. Although, like, I've heard some people say Haiku can, like, be better sometimes, but that's just because LLMs are unpredictable, too. Like, one generation of Sonnet will be worse. Like, one output than the next. Alright, let's see if this works. AI coding orchestrator. Or I'll just create one agent per task, so we should have 2 agents here. You can see it's cloning. Does the cloning good. But that's also because, alright, let's see if the aider output comes in. Oh no. We add some logs in a DOM. I think it's like because this, I don't know, there's no way for Floss to refresh the front end or some shit. I'm just gonna say after cloning success, we get processed lines logs, but still the web app front end does not change. Add logs to DOM to debug this to browser console. I think we can fix this. Yo, Sala. I'm planning to make a document parser which API to use. At the same time, it should be cheap. If it's just text, like a good OCR API, like I think the Google OCR is pretty cheap and good. But if there's also images, that's when you need like a vision model, I think, as well. Which used to be expensive, but these days is cheap. Damn, is Anthropic down? Go open router. I'm gonna go haiku. No worries, mister. Orchestrizzler. Let's read this comparison between the orchestrator and MCP. MCP advantages in caps. Here we go. Standardized protocol layer. I don't know. This doesn't convince me. You could just port to MCP as a tool. Yeah, that's true.
You could could just port to MCP as a tool via API calls to it. You don't necessarily build the tool itself for MCP, as it is just a means to connect to external tools.
Yeah, okay. So it's like an API for tools? API for function calling, kind of?
MCP is like a main API for interacting with any current apps.
Why not consider Grok, what, for code editing? Because the models on Grok are like way worse than Sonnet, which is what I've been using. And even I think Flash. All right, let's see how this edit went. Not even like gonna look at the code. Okay, rest of the code. Second time we got that. I've heard people complain about that in the client Discord as well as this rest of the code unchanged. Wait, what? I committed, but it didn't commit orchestrator. Actually, it was 2 lines. It didn't need to do this. Right? O1 versus Sonnet for coding? I've heard a lot of people say good things about O1 Mini. Was that reading the config JSON? Bro, like the more I use these coding AI agents, the less I'm confident in like 100x Vega reality. I'm like super unconfident about 100x. Cause it's like at this stage, I'm having to like read the code and stuff, and we have some error here, but yeah, it's not properly caught. This is lame as. There's just so much code removed as well. It's actually so bad. Was that? Oh, that was haiku. So we can revert. Wait, we can reset main to here. I think this version worked. Have I produced any meaningful code that does anything useful at all? Yeah. I mean, are you talking about this project or in general? No. Wait, is that because I have the stash change? I mean, yeah. Whatever you call that. Yeah, the orchestrator. Yeah, I mean, well, the cloning works really well. So it like, did I show you the Explorer? Yeah. It goes in the temp. I should probably delete all these, but it creates a folder for each agent and clones the task in that agent and like branches and creates a branch for each agent. So ideally, like in the future, it's gonna like manage pull requests and merging and stuff. Um, but yeah, it's been rough. Orchestrator is gonna be the new buzzword. That's actually not a bad bet. Um. Yeah, sweet. So I was just like, I have this. I want the CLI output to be here. And yeah, that's pretty much the main mission today. I think once we get that, that's the thing with Flask. I'm not too sure how the data flow is meant to work there. Yo, Tech Bro! Welcome back. Thanks for all the gifts the other day. Um, I'm gonna use Aider with voice so I can eat and hopefully still code. We're gonna add everything. Not in Git. The fuck? Definitely is. I feel like we need to add test. Might try exponent. Well, mic and camera? Yeah, my mic used to pick up heaps of background noise, but then I turned down the gain heaps. I realized the gain was like real high. Turned down the gain on the audio interface and then turned up the gain on the software. It's Audio Technica 2020, I think. And my camera is a Sony like EZ-V10 or EV10. And it's so good in low light. Like right now it's actually like really dark. But the low light on that's so good. Would you get same quality with iPhone? I think iPhone would be a little bit worse because the sensor is smaller, so it's worse at low light. I think I just realized I should have been adding this. I should have been adding app.py. Because I feel like the data is supposed to flow through app.py, but it's not. Damn, 105x. I don't think I'm even gonna get to 100x. But it's a cool target to aim for. Because I think without an orchestrator, the max you could manage is probably like 5 or 10. Max. Manually orchestrating it. And you'd like lose so much efficiency. Okay, so this is the flow. Data process standard out. String IO buffer in Aider session. String IO buffer into task.json. Task.json into load tasks. Okay, let's find load task and add some logic there. Here. Right, come on, Super Maven. Does it have to be like open-ended? Yeah, doesn't really make sense. Sometimes Super Maven just doesn't do anything. Let's see load tasks. Ten monitors with Quest. Dude, that's actually a good idea for like Leon Silicon to do. Shit, I should have deleted some of the old. Alright, can we get a log for load tasks? Oh shit, I just printed it. Aider output is always null. I'm gonna delete all these. Yeah, the Aider output, I guess. Let's complain to Exponent, see if it'll fix it. Where is that Exponent window? Okay, I think that is the actual issue. The Aider output is not being correctly set. I'm gonna let that do its thing. My plate in the kitchen. And we'll be back. What song do we get up to? Oh, nice. Is this the one I extended? You miss Eves? Well, yeah, I actually did so much off stream yesterday on this app. But I'll give you a intro when I get back.
It's the eye coding or the struggle. When I dice 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I coding or the struggle. It's the eye coding or the struggle. 100 agents, 100 times productivity making eye coding or at the struggle. It's the eye coding or at the struggle. 100, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. Making eye coding or at the struggle. It's the eye coding or at the struggle. 100, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. Making eye coding or at the struggle. It's the eye coding or at the struggle. 100, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. Eye coding or at the struggle. It's the eye coding or at the struggle. I couldn't orchestrate it. It's the I couldn't orchestrate it. I couldn't orchestrate it. 100 threats, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. I couldn't
Yo.
orchestrate it. I couldn't orchestrate it.
MCP implementation is pushed to here. How do I see that? Wait, that's not even. Where is it? 3 commits ahead. Add comprehensive plan. PR. Have you tested it? Oh shit. Editor debug.log. Hmm. No. I don't have test suite on this project yet. The orchestrator isn't ready yet. Mm-hmm. Not working. Here. Alright, good. Their output is never updated. Here are relevant docs. Strizzler. Say your favorite word, Jesse. What's my CPU usage up? 30%? Damn, 50% GPU. I was thinking like what if I start editing code, editing videos? I gotta process this one. Let's see how that goes with my performance. Dope, CPU's at 100. Are we lagging on? Let me know if the stream's lagging because my CPU is at 100% utilization right now. That's good. That means my program is efficiently using all the CPU. Going at 4.3 gigahertz. Damn. This thing's only meant to go 3.6. I got all fuzzy. It still says I'm putting out like the right frames. OBS is only using 7%. Look at this. 10% now. Now that I move this in. And then 7%. So yeah, yes lag or no lag? Looks good? Sweet. We'll leave it. You guys want to see some orchestrator propaganda? Where is it? Oh, it's not here. Probably in here then. Yeah, orchestrator. Hell yeah. A recap? Yes. Definitely. Digo Y, what's up? Okay. Let's give a big recap from the top. Definitely not making a sandwich. Okay. Oh shit, the CPU went down heaps. Did it finish? Oh, it's finished. This is my video editing app, but let that stay. Okay. So, wait, actually, what video is this? This could help the story. What is the RuneScape? Oh yeah, it will. But what I was also thinking about, which I didn't draw, is like this being like a Git visualization. Maybe you can combine both of them. You know, Git tree. GM, we back. GM lazy. What's up? Someone 1v1 me in OSRS level 30 to 52. Do I have Entangle? I do. No, I have Sensei. Oh, see, no, it's free. No, I assume TikTok only sees the hands. Oh, yeah, AI. Yeah, this isn't gonna do a good job. Test suite PR open. Bro, you tell me you actually tested the test suite. What is it test for? I need to give I want to give Jesse an intro as well. What else we got? Soundwave with the clickerless emojis. Clone OSRS, that'd be so hard. The test fails? Okay. What is it check for? Conf test orchestrator. Yeah, very basic, but still, it's good to have tests. Disconnected? No way. What? Surely that's an old session, yeah. Okay. So I do have some diagrams on Excalidraw. We were just okay, no, actually Discord. That triggers me. Discord. This is the best place to give you an intro. So I was trying to host a hackathon and I made this website in 3 hours on stream. Vote.techfren.net to like get the community to vote on the next topic for the hackathon. And the one that got the most votes was the 100x coding orchestrator. So yeah, that's what we decided to do. And I made this channel on the Discord. And I tried baby AGI day 1 to orchestrate with just a prompt. This is how it went. To be like a software development agency CEO. Let's just see how that works. And I don't think it worked too well. I think we have to make something like super specific. The whole like creating its own tools isn't really like something that helps me in this case, I think. I think for the orchestrator, we to complete our task. First, let's create. Here, I put it in the baby software development agency CEO. Let's go. See what this does. When's the last time you paid for software? Me? I reckon pretty recently. Pay for a lot of different software. You know how to code assembly language? No idea. Jesse, thanks for the follow and like. Web3, thanks for the likes. This for a hackathon? Yeah, Big AGI just released version 2, Paul. I gave it a little intro at the start of this stream. I'm probably not going to go over it, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's like only 175 lines of code. Alright, so let's see how this is doing. Let's go take a break for the music for a little bit. Certainly, as a CEO, I'll create and manage agents to complete our task. First, let's create a tool to read and write the current state. Great. So let's see. So now, hopefully, how it should work is we just have to read the current state text. This takes too long to explain it, but yeah, I used Baby AGI. It was really sweet because it's only like less than 200 lines of code. And it was able to do like simple things, but you know, obviously I'm trying to make something specifically for coding. So I ended up deciding that I either need to like fork Baby AGI or make my own thing. And somewhere down the line, I decided I need like a web app would be like the most, like a web front end would be the most like user friendly and easy. Essentially, the goal is, okay, this is probably what I should have said first. The goal is, the mission is to create an interface to manage many AI coding agents efficiently. Orchestrate, you know, orchestrate many AI agents, coding agents efficiently. Because at its current state, once you get past like 2 agents, it's hard to manage them. It's very hands-on. We're trying to make an AI orchestrator, so it's like more hands-off, and the orchestrator is the one that's, you know, orchestrating. And that means like code review, automated testing, task management, progress reporting. These are all kind of tasks like the tools, functions that the orchestrator will have to do. IC3 was brainstorming with me. They said, flow summary. User interacts with the system via user interface. The agent management system activates the necessary agents and assigns tasks through the task orchestrator. Okay, so this is his design. He's got like a task orchestrator and an agent management system. To me, this is all just one thing called the orchestrator. And then he's got a separate code generation agent, which I do have a separate code generation agent. kind of like it's Aider that is being ran on a loop. So yes, code review agent. This I was gonna have just the orchestrator be a part of code review and critique. I wasn't gonna separate that. Same with testing agents. That's also within Aider running auto test and stuff. Yeah. I see through. I hadn't seen the code. Have I pinned it? Alright, so now if you see the pinned post on what? Yeah, it should have the mission and the GitHub repo. Oh, we got a reference dog. I have a. Oh, this is sick. How'd you create this? I see through. Damn. Is this with GitHub or something else? Yes, F. Let's go. Let's go. Any ideas? Or you want to get into just implementation? GitHub, yes, sick, man. Waves, sound waves, let's go. Okay. Changes look good. Let's add. Okay, is this like somewhere? Okay, I'm gonna get it to continue and commit changes when done. What's Balatro, Frosty? I think this landscape mode isn't very good for TikTok. Indie game contender for game of the year. Fun to play, not fun to watch. Well, it's not fun to watch, and why would you suggest it for a stream? This actually doesn't look too bad, man. What's up? Who we got on TikTok? Why aren't they chatting? I'm gonna send them a message. Oh, Tech Bro. Thank my VCs, legend. Man, you gotta thank VCs. They get a bad rep in the tech space, but if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have had this much innovation and capital going through the tech space. So shout out to VCs. Alright, we have something to test now. Soundwaves is cooking. Oh my god, yes. Dude, it's so exciting. I didn't know whether to expect people to actually jump on this idea. But it's actually like such an exciting idea. If we can cook something for this. Alright, where's the... Here we go. Oh, it was running that whole time. I don't know if we need two either. Wait, do we have agents already? No. Okay, that's fine. Create agents. Okay, you see, it's cloning it. Oh, what was all that? Yeah, issues with the output. Closing standard pipe. Okay, see, we're actually getting all these. Whoa, look at this debug info. Oh, what? That's sick. Look at all these new like debug things we have. Validate paths. Aider sessions is not defined. This is pretty cool. I wonder if that'll help. I doubt it. Let's quit this so we don't run up the bill. I'm gonna copy this whole thing. I don't know if Exponent can handle that. Probably not. Maybe we shouldn't. Here, let's just have it here. Where is it here? And then this. Whatever. Yeah. It's just too much shit now. It's gonna make it even harder for AI coding agents to be able to fix it. Is like they're just adding more logs, more things that aren't the actual core code. I think that messes it up. City of Heroes? I was playing RuneScape the other day. I think that's like a easy, fun game to play on stream. Awesome, man. Jesse, that's so cool to hear. Test suite open to PR that passes. Nice. Merge that in. I'm trying to think of what layout to like get here. I think so I use what is this called? Fancy Zones by like Power Tools. And kind of want something like this with the opposite. Create new layout. MSI. Alright. Pretty much this. I think this will actually be like. This is what we have now, though, right? I guess we'll close this one. Wait. Overlapping zones. I haven't seen this before. What? Oh, this is crazy. Wow, what the hell? I think this is new. Add a third one that's or like here. Yo, this is sick. Alright, how does that work? So we got one here. And then this can be like under me. Oh, but it doesn't stay on top. Unless we use that. Oh, what if this goes actually? That would be sick. Yeah. Resource monitor. That's kind of cool. Like if I was doing something GPU intensive. Chess? I'm not good at chess. Um, I thought I had to like manually do this, and that might be true. I think the code base has gotten too big and convoluted for. Oh, why is this weird? For any of these coding agents to be able to edit efficiently. Like, how many lines is this orchestrator.py? What happened to my line numbers, fam? I have no idea. Alt Shift Alt N. Nope. I don't know. I stopped the line numbers. It does say down here, right? 680. What's that, Frosty? Pretty much the issue is Aider output is not being written properly. If Aider output not in agent. Agent view. Yeah, but where do we actually write it? Here. Aider output equals prompt data. Also update Aider output from prompt data if available. Prompt file. Prompt.txt. Okay. No. That's not something we should have. Yeah, I feel like I have to do a lot of manual work. But I don't think it's worth discarding all the automated work either. Might be worth like going back to a particular commit, maybe. Maybe not. I think it's like decent how it is. You see last night from midnight till 2 a.m. I was working on this with client. And that's where I made the Flask app. I should have streamed it. I was just messing around. I didn't expect it to be something I actually thought would be worth continuing. It's funny how that shit happens. Yeah, I might continue with client as well. I had really good results with Exponent the first few days I ran it, but I don't know, it's just I guess it kind of happens like that. Like people say LLMs get dumber, but it's a lot of the time people's expectations are greater than they were the first time, I think, so they're getting let down. I think that's more the case. Ski free and nostalgia bomb from early Windows users. Alright, let me check it out. The thing is, like, we don't really need CLI output that bad. It's just, it will be. I think this is way before my time. I don't remember this. Ski free. Fran, you embarrassed? The idea is, like, not learning to code, but learning to orchestrate. And try these tools. Oh, actually, I think I do remember this. I don't remember using the mouse to guide it though. Also, I think I'm actually more like productive off stream probably. Because, you know, I'm not getting distracted with chat and like playing this game. Although I'm waiting right now for that exponent. It's also waiting yesterday a lot. You know this one, Lazy? Oh, you can jump as well. Didn't realize that. Someone was Frosty suggested it. Um, Also, it's like when you get AI to write your code, you have so much less of a mental map of the code base. Yeah. Sadie, what is this app supposed to do? This. This is the mission statement. Create an interface to manage many AI coding agents efficiently. Many is like 5+. I don't know how much more we can get than 5, to be honest. Space Pinball, yeah, of course. I remember that one. Windows XP thing, right? Or maybe before that, 2000. Can't build anything serious if you don't know if that damn thing works. Yeah. I think there's a way. And we're gonna try to figure it out. But at the Space Cadet Pinball. But at the moment, you know, it's been a struggle. But it's exciting. Yeah, this. This was my thinking yesterday, like the init loop. And then let me link that in the chat. I've pretty much done. I've got like the init loop working in the Flask app on. Let me link the thing. I feel like if I keep linking it, people who want to contribute more, maybe. Can merge the first pull request. Should I merge this test? Test to main. Testing suite. Man, why are you mad, bro? Man woke up mad. It's gonna hallucinate, yeah, but you have the hope is you have like a really good critique agent that can spot all the madness. But yeah, I don't know. In reality, I know that's a lot easier said than done. This is more than just the import issue. This is a data flow issue. Alright, where's this? This read output. Start Aider session. Set out thread dot start. Verify threads are running. Target self dot read output. Reading info log self dot receive. Self dot output queue. What do we do with that? Process output. Here we go. Started processing output thread. Lock the thread for when updating the buffer. Output buffer.writeLine. So it goes in this output buffer, which is in the aider session, but then how does that get to oh yeah, so it gets called by get output. Who calls that? Critique agent process, output equals aider sessions, agent ID get output. Aider output equals output. Okay, so this is where it's meant to, this is where the magic is meant to happen. No, man, you just want to see a live stream with yield. True. Alright, stick around. Where's so that one I made that vote app in 3 hours, you know, that's some yield. This is like more difficult here. We're trying to do a 100x orchestrator, you know. Oh, you want to help? Yeah, dude, the AJ47/100x dash orchestrator. Yes, sir. Right here. Look, we even have, I think I removed config manager. Oh no, it's still there. But yes, if you do a cool commit, man, I'll give you a prize. I don't know what prize I can give, but prize, you know. And look, you got to be competing against this AI here. You know? He's writing code. Nice, Frosty. Let's go. Orchestra. You're still here. AI is good for boilerplate. Yeah, that's what me and someone else was saying in Discord too. Once you get past the boilerplate level, it starts falling apart. Unfortunately. I don't know if Exponent's slow or I remember it being faster. I also do remember it hanging like this a lot too. Maybe it's the same. It's getting hot in my room, man. Still going. See, yeah, it's been kind of stuck here. I mean, I kind of leave it, but for how long? I think it does eventually continue. See, right now, 0.2x engineer. Maybe I should just stop it, because I feel like I have a better understanding of kind of what's going on. there's a way to refresh. No. Oh man. Alright, yeah, we're gonna pull the plug. Alright. Let's run this, You're wondering where to subscribe between Cursor and Windsurf. It's a good question. I think they're both pretty good. I would try them both. They both have free tiers, and then I think by the end of it, you'll probably know which one you want. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I want to commit this. Oh, save this before I run this. Let's just make one agent. Buffer, current buffer length. It's never saving. Okay. I think we might have found the issue. Critique agent progress. Oh, right. Agent date. No, this is probably. I need to find where else this is getting saved. Data output equals update output in tasks. Do we have working changes? We do. No, we don't need any of this. Oh, we actually have Ada output now. What? Did it render? No. Oh, that's good though. We made progress somehow. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have discarded that change. Shit. Shit. Oh no. No. Surely not. Let's retry. Oh, sick. Okay, so it does read it from the file. But will it update the file again after I... Oh shit, I pressed that button twice. It's fine. No, it's not fine. I messed it up. Oh. Let's try that again. Okay. Did it save the Ada output? No. Oh. It's right. I think the chat history remains in exponent, so we can just tell it to re-add the code. Can we? Yeah. We can. Please retry the changes to orchestrator.py. Can we copy all of these? Because this looks like it's not working here. Oh, wait, actually, we can connect to this if we specify the specific chat ID, it seems. Is that the case? Reconnect CLI, copy, paste. Okay. Yes. All right. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, so it looks like it's doing something at least. Be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back too. I feel like a mandarin or something. Cool me down. Alright, got an orange. Nice. If you merge it, I'll keep writing code. Done. I'll merge that shit right now, Frosty. Wait, what? They're all closed. There's no open PRs. Did you close all your PRs? Let me know. Let me know what the update is. Dude, this is it. We're getting community contributions. Are you on Discord, Frosty? I'll shout you out. Shit, I don't know how to peel an orange effectively. Oh, it's finished? Alright. This is exciting. Because it was kind of working. Well, it was at least saving the data before, which is big. Let's see if that is the same case. Well, actually, it's view agents. We'll delete these ones. Wow, so many. Working pretty fluently. Create agent. Come on. Nice. Success. Agent created. Agent view. And let's see. Aider output is null here. Give it some time. Oh, still null. Oh, wait, no. Here. Last critique null. Still null. Config. No, it's not. Nice. So we're actually saving Aider output. At least at some point, but the UI isn't getting updated unless we refresh. If we refresh, it gets saved. Okay, that's good. That's definitely progress. I'm gonna commit this with Aider generated commit message. Open now. Nice. Let's have a look. Basic test suite. 10 files. Test. Orchestrated.py. What did you change here? Large diff. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, sorry, can I get you to do one thing? If I push this, will there be conflicts with main? Shit, I gotta... Alright. Let's see, does the PR tell me if there's conflicts with main? Let's check it. Oh, it does. Well, let's see what they are. Yeah, can you... Sorry to be a pain, but... Can you solve this conflict? And then I'll merge it. Otherwise it looks fine, I think. Let's see the other files. Task JSON. This one... It's fine. Okay, this task JSON test is fine, but I'm gonna have to like work around it because actually the current implementation uses config JSON. And also I'll still I don't know. Thank you. Okay, I'll still merge it. Just because you said you'll code more if I merge it. So, we'll get you on that contrib list. And, yes. We might, you know what? Actually, I'm going to make a dev branch. And then maybe merge it in the dev branch. Do I have to make a commit for this? Let me just like make a commit. The CLI renderer in agent view does not refresh update when new aider logs are added. Okay. Yes, do not merge to main. Okay, good. The prompts in the code, I still haven't actually added any, except to aider, like I haven't really added any LLM stuff. Yeah. But that's a good thing about PRs is like I can see all the code you changed. So even if you are a lunatic, but you're writing like good code, doesn't matter, really. You know what? I've given up on peeling this orange. I'm just cutting it in wedges into forks. It's gonna be messy. Bro, I was using Ajax? That shit is so old. I feel like I'm using such an old stack like Flask, Ajax. Oh, maybe I didn't wait the 30 seconds. Yo, Dark Sky, long time no see. We're making a AI coding agent orchestrator. You want to use Mojo? I don't even know what Mojo is. Is that like similar to Ajax? Sopranos, are you using CMD prompt or PowerShell ISE? The command line, it was just called Windows Terminal with PowerShell. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, PowerShell. Shit. And I'm eating an orange. So yeah, while we wait for AI, so much free time, eat an orange, don't have to code manually. It's a life. Mojo will be a superset of Python. Okay. Yeah, I haven't really heard of Python, but like, I think the issue is with the why we're using Ajax is for the actual HTML re-rendering. Zoom out VS Code. Can't even see VS Code on the screen. This is an exponent. Zoom out or in? That's zoom in. Let me know if you want to zoom out. Yeah, man. Aider updates all the time. I'm on their Discord every day, like looking at Paul. Paul's so active, like the creator on Discord, just like replying to everyone. So good. Aider for VS Code? Yeah, there's like three of them, three or four. Are you talking about Aider Composer? Was that what it's called? Aider Composer? Am I hallucinating that? Yeah, that looks cool too. Yeah, Aider Composer, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that one seemed new. That one's sick. Tino! Hey, Tino from TikTok? Yo, you guys should follow Tino on TikTok. I'll shout you out, Tino. I've been following Tino um on TikTok. They like go live on TikTok. And they do music and coding and AI. Really cool. Shout out Tino. Thanks for dropping by the chat.
We are
Cool setup you got
trying
as well.
to formalize the process on making good software, right? And in order to do that, you have to have a plan. You can't just be like, create file, start coding, right? Because the
Literally
coding
me.
part is actually the last part to it.
Going live at 8.
We
Yeah, you're gonna have to specify time zone here because we got people all over the world.
are going to do.
I assume New Zealand time.
So we're going to put together.
Is the whole of New Zealand in one time zone? Probably because it's so vertical. New Zealand Standard Time, yeah. The 2 camera setup on TikTok looks bad. The thing is, like, if you have your whole vertical thing on TikTok, let me try. It only takes up this much, so it's like you have so much room for other shit. Where am I from? I'm in Canberra, Australia. Yeah, I don't know. I think the like horizontal looks good on TikTok. I did do vertical for a bit, but horizontal, and that way, like, it's just one less thing I have to worry about is like vertical layout. Oh, it is. This whole streaming business is scuffed on any platform. So where to get videos in like borderless? Oh, that's a bit better. Resizes. It's pretty annoying. It'll just resize after. Nice. Oh wait, no, that was old. What do I use for multicasting? So I'm using this plugin on OBS, multiple output. And then if I do want to do vertical, I use the Atom multi-stream plugin. Occasionally I do use Restream as well to get onto X because it's a pain in the ass any other way. But I'm not even streaming on X or LinkedIn today. Yo, Tina, what am I making? So the goal is I've started like a hackathon with the community to create kind of like an interface to manage many AI coding agents efficiently. Remove these things, these specifications. And that's like doing code review, automated testing, goal management, progress reporting. And yeah, it might look something like this. So you have like active agents, tasks in progress. And so I want like the input to be like a GitHub URL. And then it goes and initializes agents, clones a URL, creates a new branch with the initial prompt to achieve a set list of tasks. And yeah, critique the progress, update progress in a dashboard, shit like that. We're calling it the 100x engineer. Wait, sorry, 100x orchestrator. And yeah, we have open source GitHub here. I do use Social Stream just for the chats. So all the chats are coming through Social Stream Ninja. So yeah, shout out Social Stream Ninja. But the actual streaming of the video doesn't have to do with that. Social Stream Ninja is just the one that reads all the different chats and combines them. Did you see V0 made a full stack update? Yes. Did see that on Twitter. Nice. Okay, so looks like we can test this again. Whoop, last run. And just make one agent, create the agent. You can see here, we've got the cloning part working, which is really cool. Clones it in like temp files. And then this is my current view of the agents. I think this is an older agent. This is the one we just made. Last updated never, yeah. This is pretty sick. And then this is meant to be, yeah, awesome. It updated this, the like output from Aider, which is really cool. I hope we get another output. I don't think we do. But this is sick. Like, we're making progress. Can I put soft non-copyright music on? I've done that a few times. and it still ends up being like copyright strike. Like, I don't know, it's too similar or something. But you can play your own music. Is that an issue? Play your own music softly in the background, and then it won't conflict with any of my music, which should be nice. Yeah, so that's sick. And I think I'm gonna leave it there for today. I fixed that CLI issue. Really happy with that. We have this dev branch. I'm pushing this to dev branch. Sorry, Frosty, if you're still here. And then I'm gonna leave it. So this dev branch is now ready to take any PRs. Awesome. Sweet, Frosty. Thank you so much for sticking around this whole stream, man. It's been like 3 hours. Oh, what is this? Is it closed source? This? No, no, no. This is open. Is this what you're talking about? 100x orchestrator? Yeah, I just pushed it. It's all open source. At the moment, it just spawns agents and runs a first prompt into Aider. But that's it. There's no like progress updates. Well, there's very basic like just logging updates. It's a long way to go, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with the progress. Even though only thing we did today was update the CLI rendering, that's a pretty big part of it. And you know, it's really hard to assess the rate of productivity, so I think it's better to have just no expectations. Ooh, we got this PR. Nice. Nice, and it doesn't touch Orchestrator Pi. Awesome, man. That's getting merged. Our first. Thank you, Frosty. I assume this is Frosty. Our first PR merged. Let's go. Did it merge? Oh no, I didn't. Let's go. Frosty, you on Discord? I want to shout you out. Thanks to Frosty. Yeah, this must be you, right? Thanks to Frosty, we have basic PyTest. Fire emoji. Yes, that's a point. Manage as many agents, coding agents, as you want. Maybe not as many, but at least 3. At least 3, like more efficiently than if you were to manually do it. Automate the management of AI coding agents. That's kind of the mission. Let's go. Sound waves in the chat. Awesome. This is sick, dude. We got the community working together, hacking away. Name one other community doing this. You could probably only name like 10 maximum. I'm kidding, but you know, there's not many. There's not many active coding communities that just like do random shit. I don't know, maybe there is. Wondering how simple each one needs to be to get it to work consistently. I'm thinking more than 3. Yeah, well, see, one thesis I have is like these LLMs, especially if the temperature is like somewhat high, they can go off on 10 different paths. So if you have like 10 different agents, all with like separate paths, trying to figure out this coding problem, there's a higher chance one of them is like doing the correct thing or close towards the correct thing. So, you know, if you had a management system for this, it'd be crazy. You want from one for repo changes, SQL migrations, one for business. The world is your oyster. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know, Frosty. It's all good. Thanks for that. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up stream here. So thank you guys so much.
AI coding orchestrator.
I'll leave you with a video of the AI coding orchestrator. Wait, that's not it.
100 threats, 100 agents, 100 times productivity making. A coding orchestrator.
Thank you guys. See you around.
AI coding orchestrator.
Oh shoot.
100 threats, 100 agents,